This must be kept strictly confidential. Sir Topham Hatt is building an electric railway.
But why do we need electric power lines here on Sodor?
I'm not sure. I think it has something to do with the construction work up at Peel Godred.
Duck, look out!
He's a bit small for his class.
Flawed design. He's an honest lad. He just had a bit of trouble adjusting now and then.
The name's Basil. It's an absolute pleasure to meet you, sir.
I know you'll make me proud, Basil. This might be a big break. The Northwestern does wonders for engines like you. How do you run a branch line with no engines?
I think they still use engines, Philip. Maybe ones that run on electricity.
Come on, we're running out of time.
I am proud to open our new electric railway.